Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Pyramaze, and we are going to react to the song Legacy in a Rhyme. Let's listen to it. I think it should be the first time we are going to listen to Pyramaze, and this song definitely the first time.
Fly away with me, close your eyes and find the place between dream and reality. That's where I live, that's where I breathe. Oceans of creation, heart bubble heartbeat.
I like the piano. I definitely like the piano, even if there were no vocals, and the way the piano was playing, the way the music was constructed in the background, that would have been sufficient for me. Though I like the vocals of the voice of the vocalist here, there was the backup sound that was added toward towards the end, halfway onward, that made it too noisy for me. I like the solo voice. I like the solo vocals, the way it started. If it continued the same way, I would have appreciated it more than what the other things were added to it in the vocals later on, because the music was very, very high quality that was playing the piano, and the voice too was very striking and good to listen to. But all those additions made it very noisy for me to listen to. Instead of, it was a very calming thing what was going on. Legacy of Rhyme. It's somebody, I think, who's passed away or something like that, and he's giving his story or his saga and how things for him are, probably how he's connecting back or something like that. So in the lyrics, I don't think I found something that I could connect with much, but I like the construction of the music, definitely.
Yeah, the importance of a moment is shared in the lyrics, and yeah, I agree with that. That moment is really important. Legacy in a Rhyme. Nice title for the song based on the content. Yeah, it's well sung, very well sung. The lead vocalist really did a very good job in singing. This sounds very familiar, like most power metal and metal band singers sound. Very, very familiar to me. Legacy in a Rhyme, the piano, outstanding. Everything about it was nice, mellow and soft, apart from, like Kirti said, I totally
When
agree
other
when
voices
the
came in.
background, the backup singers or the other members chipped in. They kind of ruined that bit of the song, but the rest was good. The rest was good. It was a neat little ballad, if we can call it that, and definitely nice to listen to. Apart from that bit,
It also sounded, the vocals also sounded like Indian male, these days the metal bands, the way they sound. So it was very close to the voices from here as well, and the
Yeah.
way they do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all for this reaction. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Sonata Attica, and we are going to react to the song The Cage. Let's get started with the song.
A lifetime ago, we frozen
The lyrics do make sense in a metal song. So in this one, of course, the lyrics were making sense about him being freed, otherwise he will die, and he has a lot of life that is living in him, dreams and things like that. So it was surrounding around the cage or the freedom of this thing. Whatever the character was, that I don't know, whether it's a human character or a wolf, because so many wolves were shown or on the screen, or dogs. One thing about power metal or speed metal song like this is, you listen to it and then after that you can't differentiate the next time you listen to two more songs which one is better or which one has something different about it. So you listen to one song, two song, three song. After that, initially I used to find power metal, speed metal, all of that very exciting, with so much of speed and so much of something going on with pedaling and everything with the drums. But then when you listen to 5, 10, 20 songs, then after that it's nothing new. Nothing new comes in. There are so many rock songs that are classic now, that are, people love to listen to them, and the moment it plays, your hair raises, literally. That song and that excitement, that light on your face, the spark on your face is unmatched to anything else. But when it is about this genre of music, it does not happen to you. Because it just goes on one thing, one set formula that is used for every single song. So I feel sad for the genre that I don't know if they can do much more, or they really have no choice at all to do anything different. Because if there are 10 songs, I won't be able to tell which one I like better, because all of them will be the same kind.
Yeah, well said, well said. I agree with everything that you said. I don't really have much more to say. I was going to say exactly the same thing about what you noticed, what we heard. It was a good song as far as what we heard goes. And lyrically, it's talking about a wolf or someone who needs to feast on someone else to survive another year.
Needs to be freed,
or may not be even surviving a year. Something like that. A lot happening in the lyrics. Then repeating the same old thing about the freedom, the importance of freedom and all that. Well sung. Musically it was rich. Drumming was exceptional.
There was a keyboard use as well.
Yeah, like Kirti said, It's, the only issue is as a reactor, we do hear a lot of songs in different genres. This is one genre where, I'm not really excited. Oh, another power metal song. I mean, of course, before it starts, maybe I'm not aware of it unless we have reacted to them. So in this case, we have reacted to them. Yeah. So I knew what was more or less going to come, and I wasn't far from it. What I was expecting.
It's too predictable.
So yeah, what's new? Whereas if it comes to classic rock, whether it comes to country music even, something different is going to be taken up in the lyrics. A different take on the same issue, maybe, even if it's a same topic or issue.
And even the arrangement and the composition.
And the music, the tune, it's different. It's more unique, it's more memorable. This, it's like, oh, you remember one band, or you have an attachment with one band because of some reason. Maybe it's location. Just like real estate. That's what I've noticed. Where do Nightwish fans, maximum of them come from? They come from countries where they only listen to music like that. Mainly metal, mainly power metal. So you expect that. Location. Yeah, but anyway, we have probably mentioned this in the past, months and months ago. So this is how we feel. Definitely, if it's unique, we always praise it. We'll always love to say, wow, this is different. Or it's taking up some different topic which is very interesting and meaningful and relevant. And obviously it has to be meaningful and relevant to us because we are listening to it. So obviously what we know, where we come from, if it doesn't, it's not at all relevant to my life, to put it simply. Not at all. This kind of lyrics, this kind of music, it's no way relevant to what's happening with me and my life. So, though I'll still say it's a good song. Yeah. And I don't want to discredit the artist. Definitely they're talented, good drumming, good guitar work, good singing.